Each hue tells a story of love, laughter, dreams, and glory. When nature paints with colors so bright, the world around glows with pure delight. And just like that magical rainbow in the sky, our little wonders are here to spread happiness far and wide.
Today, the stage blooms with the seven magical hues: red for passion, orange for enthusiasm, yellow for cheer, green for growth, blue for peace, indigo for imagination, and violet for dreams so dear. Each twirl is a smile, each step a spark of joy, as they dance to fill our hearts with love and laughter. So, dear audience, let your claps rise high as our little rainbows paint this stage with light. Thank you.
Thank you.
When you look up in the sky and the sun is shining bright, then you feel a drop of rain fall upon your hand. Look very carefully. If you're lucky, you will see a rainbow stretching from the sky down to the land. At the end of the rainbow, where the colors touch the land, the seven rainbow fairies you can see. They are the rainbow fairies, the seven rainbow fairies. All the colors of the rainbow flash across the sky. They are the rainbow fairies, the seven rainbow fairies, dancing from the rainbow, stretching right across the sky. Violet, indigo, and blue, orange, red, and yellow too, and green makes seven colors of the rainbow in the sky. Dancing from the rainbow's end, seven fairies, seven friends, in the rainbow stretching from the sky down to the land. At the end of the rainbow, where the colors touch the land, the seven rainbow fairies you can see. They are the rainbow fairies, the seven rainbow fairies. All the colors of the rainbow flash across the sky. They are the rainbow fairies, the seven rainbow fairies, dancing from the rainbow, stretching right across the sky.
This was just an adorable performance. A big round